Hi, and welcome to the Interacting with the Environment section. In the previous section, we implemented various movement systems in a sample VR game. In this section, we're going to discuss about the need of different interaction systems. Moreover, we're going to implement a few different systems and take a look at the VR template that comes with the latest version of Unreal Engine 4. In this video, we're going to discuss about the need of different interaction systems in VR applications. While movement in VR is important, in order to achieve a more immersive and realistic experience for the end user, we have to implement various interaction systems. These systems are dependent on our VR application as well as the target platform. As we have discussed in a previous video, when you're targeting a mobile VR platform, you cannot be certain that the end user has an attached controller to his device. Developers who are targeting desktop VR platforms, such as the Oculus Rift or the HTC Vive, are aware that these kits ship with the gamepads or motion controllers, so they can design the interaction systems in their games accordingly. In the following videos in this section, we're going to implement a look-at interaction system and create a basic interaction behavior using motion controllers. The look-at interaction system is especially useful when it comes to mobile VR, where inputs are admittedly limited. This system has two notable variations. In both cases, the end user has to look at the object he wishes to interact with. In the first variation, the interaction will be automatically triggered after a fixed period of time has passed, while the player is looking at the object. In the second variation, however, the user has to provide a basic input, such as a button tap, while looking at the object he wishes to interact with. It's worth noting that currently most headsets do not support eye tracking out of the box, so in this system we're going to estimate where the player is looking by assuming that the user is looking roughly straight forward. Assuming that this is true, we're going to perform a ray cast from the center of the camera to find where the player is looking. In the motion controller interaction system, we're going to use simple collision detection and haptics to interact with the virtual environment. In this case, haptics mean that we're going to apply a vibration to the motion controller of the end user as an alternative way of notifying the user that he's able to interact with the object he's currently attempting to touch or grab. As the VR industry is currently blooming and new hardware is constantly developed, it's more than likely that new interaction systems will emerge. Chances are that these systems will offer a more immersive and realistic experience than what we're currently experiencing so far. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to create a look-at interaction system in a simple VR game, so stay tuned.